Hello friends, welcome to Mission Spoken English, and today our topic is International Literacy Day. International Literacy Day is one of the first days declared by the UN going as far back as 1965. September 18th is the day that seeks to focus public opinion on the major global problem of literacy. This is vitally important in least development and developing countries where large percentage of the population do not even have basic reading and writing skill. Literacy is seen as a human right and means of personal and social development. It makes an essential contribution to wide variety of goals like maintaining peace and promoting democracy, eradicating poverty, achieving gender equality, and ensuring sustainable development. The United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization UNESCO is the main organization behind the concept of International Literacy Day, and every year it reminds the international community of the status of literacy and adult learning globally. According to statistics as of 2011, some 793 million adults still lack of minimum literacy skills, nearly 2/3 of whom are women, which means that about 1 in 6 adults is still not literate. 67.4 million children are out of school and many more attend irregularly or drop out. UNESCO provides support to member states of the United Nations to promote literacy in varied ways, from technical expertise, strategic policy making, capacity building programs, research, monitoring and evaluation, as well as advocacy. International Literacy Day is one small cog in this literacy machine, drawing attention to the plight of millions who are unable to rise out of the depths of extreme poverty to claim their lives and fulfill potential. On this day, every year, UNESCO awards International Literacy Prizes to the most innovative and inspiring literacy programs. The prize rewards exceptional work in the fight against literacy, including supporting literacy in multilingual contexts and supporting literacy in rural areas. At the national and local level, International Literacy Day is celebrated in schools, community centers, NGOs, and more from efforts aimed at impacting one person at a time, such as in a classroom, to highly published national events and advocacy by prominent authors. Why is literacy important? Learning to read and write is a crucial part of a child's development. Reading and writing are essential skills for adults. Being literate means that people can understand and follow written instruction, find out information online or in books, write letters and emails, and use the dominant symbol system of a culture. It also means that a child or adult is able to participate fully in their community. Education has long been recognized as imperative for individual, social and national developments. And International Literacy Day serves to remind us that wherever we are, however much we know, there is always more to learn. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel for next video. So this is now end of the video. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.